I like to welcome all my to the world famous Murder Inc. show. They call me the Mighty Rule. How you living? It's real be talking. I wanna ask all my gangsters the real question. Holla back. What do you do when fit at you?
Back, we go, back, we go, back, we go.
Let's take it to what?
Back, we go, back, we go, back, we go, back, take it to what? Back, we go, back, we go, back, we go.
Let's take it to what?
Back, we go, back, we go, back, we go, back, take
When
it
they
to
hollering about rule, here's the real. I top like champagne bottles to chill or nothing but ice. Now I'll send it up to the greatest to tell them I'm nice too. Plus push some nice groups that ink roll like deuce, man. I'm OG Bobby J, and we in soccer fields. You respect that, or get your mind around and get it pushed back. Y'all don't want that. I send them to the. I keep it my bouncing for sure. In the club with no gun, got them taking it all.
Can't help that.
I'm the that puts it down once I hit. That's them up in the mind, passing them home in the throwback. West 44 Lakers, let's make no mistakes when these F's take place. What's the procedure with a gun in your face when you got one in your back? Hey, out the space, we go.
Back, we go, back, we go, back, we go.
Let's take it to what?
Back, we go, back, we go, back, we go, back, take it to what? Back, we go, back, we go.